DCA 3, mixed review, number 3. An expression is shown. What is the value of this expression? So there's lots of ways that they can ask this. They ask, what is the value of this expression? What does this expression equal? Simplify this expression, solve this expression. All of those things, all of those questions ask you to do PEMDAS. So starting off, PEMDAS. And so I take a look at my problem, and of course parentheses are first, but I've got those same brackets with parentheses inside that we saw on number 1. And so I start looking just inside those brackets, so focusing here between the brackets. I need to go in PEMDAS order. So parentheses inside the brackets, yes, absolutely. I've got 2 sets, and so I do the set on the left first. So 8 plus 3 is going to be first. Now I write everything outside my circle, so 24 minus brackets I'm going to keep because I got a lot more inside these brackets. But those parentheses that were around 8 plus 3, I can get rid of those because I'm doing everything that's in those parentheses. So 8 plus 3 is 11 times parentheses 7 minus 5. Just copying exactly as it is, not changing the order of anything, just copying it exactly as it is. All right, so back to PEMDAS. We still have parentheses inside our brackets, and so the second step is to do this other set of parentheses. Copying 24 minus bracket 11 times, now replace my circle. Again, getting rid of those parentheses because that's all that's in them. 7 minus 5 is 2, bracket plus 6. Still looking inside those brackets, I've only got one thing left to do, so my next step is 11 times 2, and I can finally get rid of those brackets because this is all that's in them at this point. So 24 minus 11 times 2 is going to be 22 plus 6. Now we're finally done with those parentheses. Exponents, we're not going to have. That's a 6th grade thing. Multiply, divide. I don't have any multiply or divide. So, done with that. And AS stands for add, subtract. We've got both. We've got a subtract and an add. Now remember, just because A comes first in PEMDAS doesn't mean we always do add before subtract. Those are together. That's why we write them side by side. And so we work in looking in the problem, we go from left to right. And so just like we're reading, the first thing we read is 24 minus 22. And so that's our next step. So 24 minus 22 is 2. Plus 6 is the only thing outside of my circle, and that leaves me with only one thing left to do. 2 plus 6 gives me an answer of 8. 8 is the correct answer.